Hello everyone. In this video, let's explore the trading method that the deliberate AnaCute trading system employs to identify reliable entry points for confidently entering the market. The system includes Zigzag Swing Pro, an advanced NinjaTrader 8 indicator that is very useful in identifying the market structure. W-Wave Volume Pro, an accumulated volume indicator that provides insights into the strength of correlation between buyers and sellers. Lastly, King Renko Dollar, an upgraded version of NINZA Renko. Let's take a look at the parameters of each indicator. Without any further delay, I will now break down the trading strategy of the deliberate AnaCute trading system. To start, I will draw a trend line. Utilizing the swing points from Zigzag Swing Pro provides better visualization to help you with drawing the trend line. When the price movement intersects the trend line, I will then proceed to analyze the intensity of the correlation between buyers and sellers. From the chart, it's evident that there's a decline in the accumulated sell volume clusters, coupled with an increase in the accumulated buy volume clusters. This pattern suggests the possibility of an upward price movement. To further enhance my anticipation, I will utilize the swing points provided by Zigzag Swing Pro. Within this NinjaTrader 8 trading system, W-Wave Volume Pro provides you with a visual comparison between the buy and sell volume. On the other hand, Zigzag Swing Pro offers precise cumulated volume values at tops and bottoms, particularly near the point of trendline breakage. In this particular instance, the volume at the bottoms has decreased from 800 to 2700 and the volume at the tops has increased from 1400 to 6500. These volume changes align with the change in volume indicated by W-Wave Volume Pro. This adds to my confidence in an uptrend scenario. However, I won't initiate a buy position at this moment. To reinforce my decision, I will analyze the next sell volume cluster, as highlighted on the chart. A level that corresponds to 50% of the height in relation to the previous buy cluster will help us determine whether the bears are resuming their dominance. Given that the sell cluster is 50% lower in comparison to its preceding buy cluster, I will confidently place a buy order upon the buy signal generated by W-Wave Volume Pro. The ongoing 500-tick upward movement of the price emphasizes the solidity of this buy signal. Continuing with the same trading strategy, let's examine how it applies when the price is on the rise. First, draw a trend line. Then, at the point where the trend line is breached, move forward to examine the accumulated buy and sell volume shown by W-Wave Volume Pro. As you can see from the chart, the accumulated buy volume clusters have lessened, while the accumulated sell volume clusters have grown. When considering the swing points of Zigzag Swing Pro near the point of trendline breakage, the volume at the tops has significantly decreased from 27,500 to 2,700, while the volume at the bottoms has risen from 6,800 to 8,600. These shifts in volume correspond with the volume change indicated by W-Wave Volume Pro. Moreover, the subsequent buy volume cluster stands 50% lower in height when compared to the prior sell cluster. This suggests that the buyers have failed to regain dominance. Therefore, I will enter a sell position at this sell signal generated by W-Wave Volume Pro. We've got an accurate sell signal as the price maintains its downward trajectory by 500 ticks. Now, let's give the trading strategy I've been explaining a try in the following scenario on your own. Let's take a look at the instances we've just analyzed one more time. By now, you've gained a first-hand understanding of how the deliberate AnaCute trading system operates. The deliberate AnaCute trading system is our first price-action trading strategy for NinjaTrader 8, utilizing Zigzag Swing Pro and W-Wave Volume Pro to identify advantageous entry points with robust momentum. By mastering these techniques, you're positioning yourself for the potential to confidently seize trading opportunities. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated on our new indicators and trading systems.